Hangzhou Holdwell Mechanical and Electrical Co., Ltd. is a leading provider of high-quality replacement parts for various industries, with a strong focus on customer satisfaction for over 15 years. We have established ourselves as a market leader in the following product categories: 1. Diesel engine parts. 2. Construction equipment parts. 3. Agriculture equipment parts. 4. Aerial work platform parts. 5. Power generators parts. 6. Transportation refrigeration parts. We take pride in offering a vast selection of OEM quality replacement parts from renowned brands such as Bobcat, Case, Caterpillar, Daewoo, Doosan, Hitachi, Hyundai, GC, New Holland, John Deere, Kato, Kobelco, Komatsu, Kubota, Sany, Sumitomo, and many others. Product categories include engine parts, electrical parts, hydraulic parts, transmission parts, chassis parts, and more. As a unique supplier, we prioritize our customers as our most valuable resource.